Religion of Ethiopian TikToker. Religion of Ethiopian TikToker. Name TikToker, followers, and religion. Welcome to everything. First one, name and followers. Rachu. Rachu Tasfa is Ethiopian influencer and TikToker. You have 3 million followers. Religion Muslim. Yoni Manya, Ethiopian TikToker. You have 1 million followers. Religion not have religion. You are believe no God. Mota Karanio, Ethiopian influencer and live stream. You have 1 million point 2 followers. Religion is Christian. Adona, it is big YouTuber. You have 6 million followers. Religion Christian. Utinas, you have 4 million. Religion Muslim. Maki Oro, you have 2 million followers. Religion Christian. Habiba, no God. Jani, you have 2 million. President Mame, 100. Wow. Habiba is not have religion. She had believe no God. Jani, you have 2 million followers. Religion Christian. President Mame, you have 800 followers. You are religion Muslim.